Hi guys, I'm Daniel. Today, we're unboxing the Microsoft Surface Duo. It's super sweet, so let's check it out. So opening the box, the top layer houses the actual device. I'll pull that out, and underneath are some more boxes. The first is the Surface Duo bumper, which is specifically designed to protect your device. Under that is the Quick Start Guide and SIM tray tool. Then we have the charging adapter and a USB-C to USB-C cord. Okay, so let's take a look at the device. It has a really beautiful glass design with a 360-degree micro-gear dual hinge system that opens like a book. It's ultra thin at 4.8 millimeters unfolded and 9.6 millimeters when folded, and it's super lightweight. As you can see, there are two PixelSense touchscreens that open to a large touchscreen display. Let's take a look around the device. On the bottom is the USB-C port. On the right side is the SIM tray, and here you have the fingerprint sensor, the power button, and the volume up and down key. On the front of the device, you can see the speaker and the front and rear camera. Okay, let's power it up. Check out this beautiful AMOLED display. Each of the two screens are 5.6 inches, which is plenty of room for multitasking. Plus, you can maximize one app across both screens, giving you 8.1 inches of expansive viewing. It comes with a large dual battery and fast processor. The device combines the advantages of Microsoft and Android into one device, so you can stay productive. It features Microsoft 365 mobile experiences, every Android app in the Google Play Store, and new dual-screen enhanced apps. This means you can multitask with two apps using two screens, either side by side or next to each other, depending on how you'd like to hold your device. You can also move apps from one screen to the next by simply dragging and dropping the app onto the other screen. And to maximize an app across both screens, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and move the app to the middle and let go. To get back to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen in landscape mode or swipe left when you're in portrait mode. The Surface Duo is super versatile with a lot of different postures for different experiences. The most versatile is book mode, where apps appear side by side. You can switch to compose mode to draft an email using the full digital keyboard. And you can fold your phone into a single screen to answer a call or to take a picture. Plus, there's peek mode, for those times when you want to see what's happening but really shouldn't be on your phone. There's also tent mode, for when you want to relax, sit back, and watch your favorite shows and movies. So check it out, the Microsoft Surface Duo, with twice the workspace on a compact, ultra-thin device designed to maximize your flexibility on the go.